I just saw this tweet here from Tesla, just 50 minutes ago, actually. Let me just restart it.
This is how you're going to get banned?
No. Never mind. Don't worry about it.
What?
That was a joke.
You're saying no a lot. No.
Okay, based on this tweet that Tesla put out, you can run Crisis on a Tesla. That's pretty cool, eh?
Oh, so he's got the
Crisis
keyboard and
2.
mouse like propped up on something here.
Yeah. This is a Model X.
Oh, I see. Propped up on his lap, and then the mouse is just on his center console.
Dude, that's cool.
This is, you remember, Can It Run Crisis? Remember that? Mm-hmm. Can It Run?
Yeah.
Well, we already knew the thing was powerful. I mean, they had that recent update, and they had a long list of games that they're saying, okay, you can play that now. Although it was weird the way they rolled it out, like which models were going to be supported, and it was more exclusive than I expected as far as which models had the correct hardware. Like, I don't think mine ever was even recent enough.
Right.
Even though it was pretty damn recent. Or maybe there was a regional aspect to it. Mm-hmm. It's impressive. I mean, it wasn't too long ago where the in-car systems were so slow and underpowered. Mm-hmm. And now we're in a time where your car's entertainment system is superior to some people's dedicated entertainment system, except it's in your car.
Yeah, a powerful gaming PC or a console-like experience. You just have a Bluetooth controller.
Yeah, that's a lot more feasible than the keyboard mouse situation, but actually it looks pretty smooth the way this guy has it set up. Got the RGB keyboard going.
Tesla's just flexing
on the lap. Did Tesla post this direct? Oh, they did. Along with their "But Can It Run" Crisis.
Yeah.